Hello, my name is KRISHNA. First of all, I would like to thanks for Evision giving this opportunity, and I am glad to share my personal experience with Evision. Well, this is KRISHNA Mansani from Hyderabad in Telangana. I have completed my engineering graduation in Electronics and Communication from Andhra University in the year of 2020. And one of my friends got to know this opportunity. Basically, I love networking, so that's how my journey begins. I am very much satisfied with Evision. Evision Technoserve is an IT recruitment and consulting company. This is the best consulting company I have ever seen. In the scale out of 10, I would like to give 9 for my theory and concepts of all the topics. Evision basically tests you how you prepared. They taught me CCNA, Linux administration, Windows administration, data fragmentation, Windows Server 2012 R2, and ITIL concepts and WDS concepts. My working experience almost 3 months in Evision means which is nearly took 1 year of experience for me. I know I am a recent graduate. Honestly, I possess all the skills and the experience that you are looking for. I am pretty confident that I am the best candidate for this job role. Thank you.